Hello everyone. We are working on the project enhancing verification using built-in webcam and model of the behavior computer science. In this project, we have five team members. Here are the list of them. Let's start it, please. So our client name is Suresh Sood, and our company name is Arif Systems, and the project supervision by the Dr. Sharley. This is our project overview. Our project overview is that the goal of the project is to collect the combination of the data in which the video and the audio is used to collect data and analyze by the data by the different open sources. And these open sources are help in using to create a data set which will use as a deception score in further future. It will use as a testing we can test the stress level or light detection or many more things. And the client requirement is to make such a project they need to data set of collecting by the audio and the video with the help of built-in webcams in the laptop or in any mobile devices. So these collected data is analyzed and differently used as a result for the combination and the separate ways. These are our research questions. This is a main design for our project in which one laptop is used and the webcam is used as for the data collection, and this peer cloud is used for the storage, and then the storage data set is analyzed by the different open softwares like Parrot and the Amazon Turk. These analyzing score further combine with the help of any deception algorithm.
Okay, so from here I'll take the charge. So these are our design approaches. We have used use case design, block design, and flow chart. So the first design, this is my design. So if this in the first step, we're going to collect the data from the webcams, and then we are going to separate the data as the audio data and the visual data. And we are going to use some software to analyze the audio data as well as the video data. And in the fifth step, we are going to create a deception score for each, the separate deception score for video data and separate deception score for audio data. And in the second last step, we are going to combine all the deception score, and we'll try to do some testing like lie detector or stress test. So this is my design. Next.
Hello guys, this is my design. I use a flowchart diagram. I use flowchart design. So in this design, we use data set of video and audio by collecting with the help of built-in webcam, and these data is separated with the help of various software like Parrot and Amazon Turk. And further, these data set are analyzed in from the any open source software, and these open source software are used for making a deception score, which will further separate it like audio score is separated and video score is separated. These video scores and audio scores are merged with the help of deception algorithm, so that we can maintain we can search or analyze the stress level of any audio or any video, or by making a video interviews or any other data set we can use it for the further testing.
Hi, my approach is audio visual recognition using deep learning. So first we start with an interview or declaration from any professional using a statement. We collect the audio video data using webcam. In the next step, we separate the audio and video with free audio editor and TensorFlow. We separate the audio using free audio editor and videos using TensorFlow. After this, we set a frame to check frequency with the time and give the score to the audio. For video, we also set the frame to check the impression with hand movements and give the score. After this step, there is a question that can we combine the data or not by using multi-stream hidden Markov model. If we can, then we get the combined score, or if we can't, then we get the separate score. After that, we get the result from both separate and combined score.
Hi everyone, this is Vamsi. I choose flowchart to explain my design. So basically, we're going to start with collecting the audio and video file, and we're going to separate the audio and video. We're going to analyze the audio and video separately, and we're going to combine the analysis of the collected data and verify it, and we're going to use the user identifier and access denied, and we're going to stop the system. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anu Bharti, and I choose flowchart. First, I install initializing the system and setting. If it's yes, then my next step is detection of information. If something errors, then I again check my system initialization. If it's correct, then I choose the next step, collecting the all information from the detected data. Then after that, I separate the data and separate into two parts, like video and audio. In video, I check that the object is moving or clustering, and expression of the moving object, and synopsis in GIS. And in audio data, I check the signals of the audio voice, like in two things, in event and emissions. Then I compute the weight of both of them. Then after that, I mix the both signals, then simulate the audio data. Then I combine the both information, and after I go for the verification. uh, if verification is correct, then I end the system. Thank you.
Hence, this is the conclusion of our project. Among all the above presentation design, the design which contain the creation of the deception score and then the deception score is used for the testing purpose is being finalized. This design may also get updated as per the client suggestions. Thank you.
These are the references which we have used. Thank you.